大家好. Hello everyone. Welcome to the episode 6 of this lesson. In today's lesson, you are going to learn how to pronounce the fifth group of the Chinese initials, which are zh, ch, sh, z. To make this sound, allow the tip of your tongue to touch the roof of your mouth. To make it easier for you to memorize them, we'll find some similar sounds in English to talk about them. The first one we have on the board is J. Remember, we said that initials cannot stay without or finals. So we should add simple finals E to four of these or initials so that it will be more clearer to us. So the first one we have here is J. Repeat after me. J, J, J. I know this sound will sound a little bit difficult for beginners. Even though you don't get it straight away, don't worry. Why keep on practicing till you get to know how to pronounce it? You can use the English word judge, judge, judge to record its sound in case you are finding it difficult to say it. Judge, judge, judge. Another way to say this sound is for you to slowly move your tongue forward. Move the tongue forward at the back of your lower teeth and then curl your lips. Call it. Zh, zh. The Chinese word to know is 知道. Repeat after me. 知道. For example, I know. 我知道. 我知道. I know. The next one. 吃 吃. This sound is also very simple if only you know how to pronounce the j sound, if you can differentiate them. While making this sound, there is always a little airflow. It has the same sound with the English word ch, chef, chef, ch, chef, exactly like an English word. Ch, chef. Now repeat after me. Ch. Prolong it while saying the ch word, the ch sound in English language. You prolong it. Ch, ch. The Chinese word to eat is ch. To eat is ch. To eat food in Chinese is 吃饭. 吃饭. The next one is 吃. 吃. This sound also has the same sound with English sound sh in sheep. Repeat after me. The sh sound in sheep. Sheep. Repeat after me. Sheep. Sheep. The last sound here is z. Repeat after me. Z. This sound also have same sound with the double S-I-O-N sound in English language. For example, the double S-I-O-N sound in television or in progression. So, z, television, z. For example, Japan are called 日本. Then a Japanese is called 日本人, which is a Japanese. Today, we've been able to round up with the fifth initials of Chinese language. Please, if you are new in our channel, remember to hit on the red subscription button, turn on your notification bell for video updates. In our next video, we are going to discuss about the last initials of Chinese language. See you next time in our next video course. 再见. Goodbye.